Okay, somebody asked me about the functionality of this lever. Okay, right now it's secured. Okay, it's perfectly secured. So basically, let's see. I should be able to open it and remove it. And I guess I can't. Actually, yes, if I put it all the way forward, it worked. Okay? If I push the lever all the way forward, it works. So I should be able to put it back now. So there you go, it works. Okay? This back here, only finger tighten it so that when it's at this position, it's just slightly snug so that you get a little bit of resistance. Okay, that was a little light. Let me make it a little bit more. Okay? That's not going to go anywhere. All the way forward, comes off. Put it back. Get to it. Okay, let me make it a little bit tighter. Alright, there, a little bit tighter. Just a little bit tighter. There we go. Okay, that's real snug. Open it all the way. It comes right off. Okay, guys, hope this helps. And okay, so sorry to do this with one hand and holding the camera, guys, but there you go. Okay, so that answers that question. Okay, guys, till next time.